guy found two abandoned puppies who got cold and wet under the rain. We're so happy the puppies have someone who's going to take care of them from now on. He took them to a better place to get warm and gave them food. This guy is going to build a beautiful house for the puppies to protect them from the rain. Get ready to witness the making of something outstanding. This guy is going to impress you with his building skills. He started by working on the structure of the house using plenty of wood sticks, which he took around the area. We're so curious to see how all this is going to look like at the end. How about you guys? We're already so impressed by his detailed work. Guys, you haven't seen anything yet. This creation is only getting better and better. Watch it with your own eyes. His work needs to be complimented. We're enjoying watching the entire building process. How about you guys? All the materials used for this project are natural materials, which he has taken in the wild. Anyone wondering how long it must take him to build this house for the puppies? Next, he's covering the wood sticks with mud. He's doing a great work all by himself. We're absolutely impressed by his work. We love every part of this house. Just the guy is next decorating the area with grass chunks. Now it's time to welcome the puppies in their new house. Aw, adorable puppies!